Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about grouping function. So here is the definition. Group the tuples of relation R by the grouping attributes GA and then applies aggregate list AL to define a new relation. Usually both grouping operations and aggregate operations are performed in a single query. So the group by statement group rows that have the same values in summary rows, like find the number of customers in each city. The group by statement is often used with aggregate functions, as we learned about in our previous lecture. Count, max, min, sum, average, these are the aggregate functions to group the result set by one or more attribute. Now we are going toward implementation. Please open XAMPP server and localhost php myadmin. Open test data, go to employee and change the structure by adding one column. So select number of new columns here and click on add button and write the column name like city and select varchar, enter the length of the column and click on save button. So after that insert few records in it, and like city Multan and city Lahore. So now we are going toward implementation, like calculate the total salary for a city. So what is the query for it? Select operation, by using select operation, sum of salary, city is the column name, from employee and group by city. So for Lahore 30,000 and for Multan 90,000. So if you can calculate manually, so 50,000 plus 40,000 is equal to 90,000 from Multan city. So salary that is for Multan city is 90,000 and salary that is going toward Lahore is 30,000. So another one is how many employees from which city. So by using selection operation and count ID city from employee group by city. Execute the query. Only one employee from Lahore and two employees from Multan. So by using aggregate function and group by function, we can get more efficient result from the tables. So thank you for watching this video.